Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Watch 5 to your phone. First, let's get ready. Make sure your phone is compatible, running Android 6.0 or newer with at least 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. Download the Galaxy Wearable app, charge your Watch 5, and turn it on. Don't forget to enable Bluetooth on your phone so it can find your watch. These simple steps ensure a smooth start to your pairing journey. Now, let's pair your devices. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone and tap Start the Journey. The app will search for nearby devices. Select your Galaxy Watch 5 when it appears. You'll see a unique pairing code on both your watch and phone. Confirm they match. Then, grant the required permissions so your watch can fully integrate with your phone's features. It's a quick and secure process. Once paired, it's time to personalize your Watch 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the initial setup. You'll want to sign in with your Google account to unlock the full potential of the Play Store apps directly on your wrist. If you're upgrading, you can easily restore data from a previous watch backup. Finally, dive into the Wearable app to customize watch faces, arrange your tiles, and adjust app settings to truly make it yours. Experiencing connection issues? Don't worry, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, try restarting both your Galaxy Watch 5 and your smartphone. Sometimes, simply toggling Bluetooth off and on again on both devices can resolve the problem. Make sure your watch and phone are close, within a few feet, and away from any potential wireless interference. Lastly, always keep your Galaxy Wearable app and watch software updated for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.